is Global Tech Industries Group 10-year overview reading for 2020 through 2029. That's the ticker symbol GTII. Currently, it's $2.68. And when this was first requested, it was way lower than that, guys. It popped like in the month of September, in that ugly month of September. It skyrocketed. So very bullish indication there, just in that alone, my friends. So the overall trend, super bullish. Overall trend for the GTII over the 10-year period is a big move to the upside. We'll be pushing the upper end of a range higher. Off of the 10-year high, there's going to be a decline to and through a key support level to meet a second key support level, and then we rotate sideways along that support. Oh wow, and there's going to be a notable drop to reach the 10-year low, so there'll be a big correction at some point in the stock, and it'll bring us all the way down to the bottom of the range. So 2020 we had a breakout, pretty bullish year for GTI. 2022 looks like we likely fell pretty hard and attempted to establish support. There is a major resistance level that's highlighted in 2022, and quite a bit of volatility that increases with volatility. After meeting that resistance level, there's increasing volatility throughout the year of 2022. 2023, we have the halting of a bullish trend marked by a significant decline through a key support level. That's on the scale of a 1-year chart, guys, reminder. In 2024, we meet a critical resistance level, and then we decline from that resistance level with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. Those spikes up will usually meet moving averages as resistance, and the moving averages are usually in a bearish formation. 2025, flight to safety, we decline through a price level that we recently broke through once before, probably in 2023. 2026, we have 3 pokes through the same resistance level, followed by a decline followed by a notable decline after that 3rd poke. 2027, we have a fast, sudden move higher, big move to very, very, very fast. So on the scale of a 1 year, this is going to be a big bullish year. 2028, we have a failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a decline through key support. 2029, we have a period of volatility with a sudden dip in that period of volatility that'll stand out on a 1-year chart. Sneak preview for the following year. That's pretty good indication there's money to be made there. Bullish price swings. I mean, not the following year, the following 10-year period. And a trade opportunity card around a significant price level, a critical technical price level will be the key will be highlighted in this trade. So what I'll do now, guys, is I'm going to take this over to my relationships, and I'm going to identify the event significators, right? These cards right here each mean something. I'm going to identify any relationships between the event significators and the timeline cards, and that's how we'll determine whether or not there's highs and lows that are standing out to us here. That's GTII for the 10-year period, 2020 through 2029, guys. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, guys, follow that rule of karma. When you make money from this reading, make sure you pay it forward, you pay it backwards, and you make sure you spend all the money you make out of love. As long as you spend it out of love, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions. Now stay tuned. We're going to go through the Eso-Meta pattern recognition portion of this reading. Later. Okay, so there's some correlations here between the correlator cards and the timeline cards, and we have in 2021 and 2022 it looks like a trade to open at a key support level when we establish key support, and then to sell at a critical resistance level in 2022 in the midst of some volatility. It looks like 2023, there's the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support. Long term though, the high isn't until the next 10-year period, so this is super bullish. This theme card here is super bullish, so I would likely hop into this stock for the long term, even in the midst of this short term sell. Like, I would just buy on lows. Best trade opportunity in this 10-year period though, I guess the safest would be to wait for the low in 2027 and then open up close that position, open up a position at a low in 2027 and hold that until we establish a higher support level in somewhere in early 2030 to 2039. We'll have to take another look at another 10-year. When we revisit 10 years and do the next version, we'll come back and we'll check it out. This is a buy and hold stock. We pushed the upper end of a range higher. Buy and hold stock, guys. And it's up like 25,000% in the past 5 years. And just in the last year, it went from like $1 something to $6. So definitely an exciting one, guys. Let me know what you think. If you want to see more GTII, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And most importantly, guys, make sure you follow that rule of karma. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you check out the video explaining the rule of karma for this channel. Love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.